Oh my God, this is going to be pain. Oh my God. They are they are hard. Uh, uh, I will have to join a finger gym for this. Oh my God. I'm already tired. Good, good. I will burn a lot of calories while typing this. How much energy do you burn while typing? How much energy is burned while typing? 41 calories per half hour. I think for this one it will be at least double that. So this is a good weight loss keyboard. Oh my God. Okay, I knew these are going to be like this. It's not, but what in my head what was going on was these are the only switches that are not, you know, that were not in stock, and I immediately ordered them without even thinking. All the rest I tried at least at the time of making the initial video. Now they have a few more switches. We will go over them pretty soon. Okay, thanks for coming on stream. See you guys.